Hello, hello, hello. Um, so Bella and I are probably going to go to Flagstaff, or head to Flagstaff. It's going to take us a little while to get there. Probably break it up in 2 days' drive. But I found this spot a few days ago. Bella, come here. Hey, come on. Good girl. I found this spot a few days ago, 2 or 3 days ago, whatever. And I thought I'd show you guys real quick before we left because, well, you'll see why. And there's flies here. This is the reason I'm about to show you is the reason why I do this. So, enjoy. Nuts. There's a big valley down there. And it's hard to see, but through those trees, that is a snow-capped mountain. And I believe down there somewhere, I have to take off my glasses to show you. Down there is Nederland. So, hope you guys like that.